guys, thank you for joining me again in Modern Maintenance with Maria. Today we're gonna change our brakes. And the tools we're gonna need today are gonna be
a jack, a breaker bar, a ratchet, a jack stand. Optional is an impact gun, our depressing tool that's right there, and lastly, of course, new brake pads. And to be very specific, the ratchet, you're gonna need a 14mm socket, and for the breaker bar, you're gonna need a 21mm socket.
Before you start, make sure to put your emergency brake on. And now we can break the nut loose. Next step is to jack the car up. Now that the car is up, secure it with the jack stand. And now the fun part. Now you can go ahead and take the wheel. We're putting the wheel under the car so the car doesn't fall on top. In order to remove the brakes, you have to remove the calipers.
They're 14mm size bolts right behind the caliper, as you can see. Once you break them loose, you can remove them by hand.
Once you have the bolts out, you can remove the caliper.
Con huevos, baby. Normally, you wouldn't let it just hang, but this caliper is really light and small, so just let it hang right there.
Now just remove the brake pads. Make sure to grease the edges so the brakes can flow freely. Reinstall the brake pads and put everything back together. Lastly, we have to push up the piston back in. And don't forget to tighten up the bolts.
Last step, make sure to go ahead and put the wheel back on and torque everything to spec. I believe on this car it's 85 foot-pounds. As you're doing this, make sure you just hand thread them in there so you can go ahead and drive them in with an impact if you have it, and as soon as the impact touches the wall of the wheel, just let go, don't over tighten it.
Lift it up until it's off the jack. Now bring it down slowly. Last thing you do, make sure to pump your brakes. And that's how you change your brakes in a 2016 Mazda 6.